morning, guys. My name is Oba Obasi. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining in. So today, or tonight, actually, I have another unboxing to do. As you can see, it's gonna be a good one. This is my ultra wide monitor. It's going to look crazy. So I'm gonna unbox it, set it up for you guys, and review it. So let's get into it. Y'all don't understand. I'm waiting for this for like probably a week. This is literally gonna change my whole desk. Oh man. Y'all not ready for it? I'm not ready. Ooh. I'm not ready. You see it? Can you see it? I don't even know if I can see it. Do y'all see what that says? The Spectra C34 Ultra Wide. What y'all know about it, man? Oh, man. Let's just get straight into it, man. Let's get straight into it. I love it. Slow it in a little more. Everybody gather around. Gather around. I don't even know how to open this, man. That's how excited I am. So this is a gaming monitor, as you can see. I really wanted to get this for work purposes, as well as the gaming capability and gaming aspect of the monitor. I'm about to beast on these dudes in COD. I've been on fire lately. And now it's a wrap for everybody. If you want to add me, comment down below. If you want to add me in Call of Duty, we can run it, man. We can run it. I have a PS4, so I mean, it really doesn't matter for Call of Duty because it's cross-platform. But for like 2K or anything, if you want to play me in that too, comment down below. I'll add you guys, and I'll play you guys. Woo. Okay, let's just get into it, man. Okay, cables are the first thing. I believe it's HDMI cable, a screwdriver, a micro SD cable, and looks like some screws. I'm assuming for the stand. Here's a part of the stand. The base for the stand. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Ah. It's so light. It's so light. That's crazy. Let's get into the setup.
Major key. These two, the fabric one, and then the air fix. Major keys. Major keys. Alright. Now that I got the space ready, let's set it up.
First thing is first, I'm going to just take out all the pieces, and then I'll attach the monitor after I set up the stand. So it has a metal It has a metal back, and the bottom is a mixture of plastic and aluminum. So, power cord, HDMI cables, screws, more screws, more screws. So now I'll assemble it and get right back with you guys. Alright guys, so I'm putting in the finishing touches. It looks great so far though. Inserting the light module should help when you want to find cables. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, I'm so excited. Did I do something wrong? Oh my gosh. It has a little S at the bottom. That's so cool. Alright. Oh man. This is crazy. Okay guys, so here's how it looks. I mean, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. It's a little stretched out on the menu. But I'll jump into a game and we'll see how it plays, how it looks. Man, this is crazy. It's so immersive, like, man, this is crazy. I really want to see how it looks on COD. Who that be?
Number one seed in the tough Western Conference. They enter this series.
I mean, it looks pretty good. It's like I said, it's a little stretched because this is an ultrawide monitor. It's a 21:9 opposed to a 16:9, but it looks pretty good. It kind of gives a 3D vibe to it, but it looks good. Like, it's like 3D. It's crazy. It looks good, man. All right, let's see how COD looks. It's pretty good so far. It's a little wide, but like I said before, it's a little wide, but it also gives like this really cool immersive and 3D look to everything. It's pretty cool.
Personal radar drone standing by. Cluster strike is over launch.
But it's awesome. Look at, y'all didn't see that. Oh, yeah, it's pretty cool. Man, I really like it. I can't wait to game online with it. Man, it's gonna be crazy. So, yeah. Yeah, guys, so thank you for watching the video. This monitor is just crazy. I can't wait to just play some COD. I'm hopping in right now. A couple of my friends are online. So, thank you guys for watching. I'll rate this monitor 10 out of 10. It's a budget ultra wide. It was $300 and it's well worth the money. Man, I can't wait to game on this and use it for my business because I will be working from home, obviously. And yeah, man, I love it. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Highest rated product so far on my channel. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. And my name is Owobasi. God bless you all. Shalom.